Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog and thank you again for clicking on this video. It's Monday, so I'm excited to get the week going. I'm a little sore from yesterday's moving day. If you watched that vlog, you saw that we had to move a lot of junk. But I'm gonna get into the gym today with my buddy Kevin, who you guys haven't met yet. He's my neighbor and good friend. That's actually his Jeep right there, so he just pulled in. I'm gonna get set for the gym, grab a little bit of food, get a pre-workout, and we'll cruise down to the gym. Shout out to Reagan for the awesome Christmas gifts. Boom. All right, let's grab this pre-workout and then I'll explain to you guys the plan for the rest of the day. I forgot I had my leftover In-N-Out shake from last night. That's gonna be amazing. So, plan for the rest of the day is get to the gym, come back. I have to finish up some projects I'm working on, clean up my room a little bit, and then I'm headed to the airport because my brother and I are flying back to the East Coast, which is where I'm from. So we're flying from San Diego to BWI, and then driving up to York, Pennsylvania, which is where we're gonna spend the Christmas holiday. All right, Kevin should be here any minute, and then we'll head down to the gym.
How'd I know you're gonna be in here?
Small peanut butter. Vlog, meet Kevin. Kevin, meet vlog.
Vlog met.
Kevin and I are gonna hit an ice bath first, and then Kevin loves the ice bath early on.
Yeah.
So we're gonna hit the ice bath first, and then change into our workout clothes, and then hit, what do you wanna do, show, or what do we say, triceps?
Yeah, probably tries, or maybe something else.
Probably gonna go for like 3 minutes. Should set the tone. The focus, the concentration. We hit tricep extensions, single arm, double arm, skull crushers. Now we're hitting some back and rear delts. Oh yeah, we made it. Oh, we made it. The key to a workout. Hell yeah, dude. Have a good holiday, brother. We just finished up the workout. It was solid. Gonna head back to the house. Maria got me a Chipotle bowl, which is huge. It's like 3 o'clock right now, and I have to get to the airport by like 8:30. My flight's at 10. Got a few hours to work, pack up the bag, and then head downtown. All right, we just got in the car. We're headed to the airport. All packed up. We're headed out as a crew. And Reagan is nice enough to drive us.
All right, you still have to tell me to get there because I have no idea.
All right, we have arrived at the airport super early, like 2 hours. I have TSA pre-check, so should be able to cruise through security, head to a lounge, meet up with my brother, and just wait for the flight. Pretty excited. All right guys, we are through TSA already. That took, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes. I'm gonna go find the Delta Lounge and get myself some free food, some free drinks, and wait for my brother, Maria, and Aiden to arrive. Friends?
Hey.
Are you done? Some homeless guy ripped down the front of that thing off my. I'm gonna go give you guys a little food tour before I grab some food because I'm hungry. But there's a few selections here and I want to show you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Tell the family I said hello.
I will. Goodbye, Marilyn Monroe.
Okay, tell mom and dad hi.
Love you, dude. Love you.
Have a nice Christmas.
Our first Christmas.
Headed down to the gate. We board in about 15 minutes. I'm ready to try to get some sleep. It's a 4-hour flight. Hope you guys enjoyed the workout and the final day in San Diego. But I'm excited to be home and share a little bit more with you guys. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Drop a like and a comment. I'd love to hear it. Peace.